in Duluth, Minnesota. The National Weather Service has just activated the public warning alarm tone. This is a test of this weather radio station's warning alarm system. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated by this signal to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers in this alarm system are normally conducted by the National Weather Service office in Duluth, Minnesota, each Wednesday around noon. When there is a threat of or existing severe weather in the area, this test will be postponed until the next available good weather day. This concludes the test of this weather radio station. We now return to our regular program.